Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your lobby code and share it with your friends on the LORT game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LORT game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to play together with your friends, then you will need to share your lobby code with them. In order to acquire your lobby code, click on the play button and then choose your preferred run. After choosing and confirming, you will then be taken into the Choose Your Adventurer menu. Now here you can choose your preferred fighter that you wish to play with, and at the bottom right corner you will see your lobby. Inside this dialog box, you will also see the lobby code option where you can click to reveal your lobby code. Go ahead and click on the given space and this will reveal your code right away. So click on the copy option at the right side to copy it onto your clipboard. After this, you can share it with your friends and they can use the join option to paste in your lobby code in order to join your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your lobby code on the LORT game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.